This is Act 3, Scene 5, and I like to call this scene Love and Violence. The people that are involved in this scene are Romeo, Juliet, the nurse, Capulet, and Lady Capulet. So the beginning of this scene is beautiful. Romeo and Juliet, they do unite as husband and wife, and when they wake up in the morning, they begin debating whether it is the morning or if it's still night, and they use birds, the lark and the nightingale, to debate about this. Then the scene does take a shift. The nurse warns them that Lady Capulet is here to speak to Juliet, and it is in regards to what Capulet's plan was about Juliet marrying Paris. Romeo does escape, and he does leave before Lady Capulet gets there, thank God. So Capulet's plan is told to Juliet, and she refuses to marry Paris. And Capulet, her father, disowns her and basically tells her she's going to get kicked out of the house if she doesn't follow his orders. The parents leave, and the nurse tells Juliet that marrying Paris is a better choice than being with Romeo, whom she can't even be with, which is true because he is banished. But her heart is with Romeo, and she is already married. So this all takes place in the Capulet home. This is an extremely important part of the play because Capulet's ultimatum drives Juliet to make some really drastic decisions in the next act. Please read Act 3, Scene 5, and enjoy.